In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find 52-week high stocks in TradingView. This step-by-step guide is perfect for traders looking to identify stocks that have achieved their highest price in the last year, a sign that can indicate growth and momentum in the market. Understanding how to filter for these stocks can be a valuable tool in your trading arsenal. Let's begin by heading over to TradingView's website. Once you're on the main page, you'll notice a range of options carefully laid out to help you navigate through its numerous features. Direct your attention to the top of the screen and click on the section called Products. Here, TradingView categorizes its offerings, making it easier for you to find what you need. Next, in the Products section, you will want to select Stocks. This will open up TradingView's comprehensive stock screener, a powerful tool that lets you search for stocks based on specific criteria. If you're scouting for investment opportunities, this is where you'll find all the details you need. Now, once you have the stock section open, look for a small plus sign, which indicates additional options or criteria you can add to your search. Clicking this symbol will show a drop-down menu with various options to refine your stock search further. In this drop-down menu, locate and click on Market Data. This selection will help you to zero in on various stock data points, allowing you to identify stocks that meet particular financial criteria or trading activity. After selecting market data, look for the high option. This allows you to focus on stocks that have reached a specific price high. When you click on high, another drop-down menu will appear, offering you even more detailed choices to narrow your search. In this new drop-down, navigate to 52 weeks, which will set your filter to search for stocks that have reached their highest price over the past year. This functionality is incredibly useful for spotting potential stocks that have shown consistent upward momentum and may continue on that upward trend. Finally, cap it all off by clicking on Add Filter. This final step applies the criteria you've set, with the screener presenting you with a list of stocks that are at their 52-week high. From here, you can further explore each stock, view detailed charts, analyze its performance history, and make informed decisions based on your investment strategy. Using TradingView to find 52-week high stocks can streamline your research and help you potentially uncover lucrative trading opportunities. Remember, always continue with thorough analysis and a strategy that aligns with your financial goals. Happy trading and see you in the next video.